No, that taught me that honoring my bandwidth doesn't make me unprofessional. It makes me sustainable. And you know what? What started as a small change became sacred rituals that kept me from spiraling back into burnout. I mean, when you think about it, balance isn't this perfect static thing we reach. It's a rhythm, and sometimes I'm very offbeat, but I've learned to dance with that instead of fighting against it. Some days are heavy on admin, others I'm purely in flow. Designing, creating, just vibing, and then there are days I need to shut it all down and remember I am a person before I am a brand. Learning to listen to myself instead of forcing productivity changed everything. And that's the kind of balance I want. One that bends with me and not breaks me. The quiet seasons used to scare me a lot. When sales dipped or content didn't perform, trust me, I started to question everything. But here's the true thing. Growth isn't always loud, and it took some time to realize that. Sometimes the most powerful shifts happen in silence. And I began to, ask the right questions like, what if this quiet is a setup for clarity? And that shift in mindset helped me detach my self-worth from social proof. I don't need the likes to validate the love I have for this work. And now I trust that even if the room feels empty, the right people always are watching. And more